In October of 2025, a powerful Category 5 hurricane took a direct hit at the southwest shores of Jamaica. 4 months later, we had the opportunity to visit this area and pass a little help to the community. And this is what we found. Our interest in going to this area was because this was the exact area that we visited in January of 2023 to go to the Floyd's Pelican bar. We'll put a link to that video in the description. This is what Floyd's looked like on our previous visit in 2023. Hurricane Melissa hit Jamaica on the 28th of October 2025. This was one of the most powerful hurricanes recorded in the Caribbean. When we first saw the path of the hurricane, we knew Floyd's had to have been destroyed. The eye went just slightly west of the Black River area, putting Floyd's on the very strong east side of the storm. Driving through the Black River area was absolutely heartbreaking. Slow government and insurance responses had people still surviving with no power or running water and living in tents 4 months after the storm.
Water filter here.
Any water, good water.
Got his socks on and everything.
I know, he's so cute. I know, it's not the best, I'm sorry. It's not great, but it's something. You're welcome.
So cool. So nice. Alright, we're on the south coast of Jamaica. Post-hurricane, you could see the hurricane damage still. This is about where ground zero was. All the damage still. But they have basically recovered / rebuilt Floyd's Pelican bar out there. So we're gonna go out there, check it out, and kind of support the community here because this is devastating. They took direct hit from that hurricane. So yeah, we're gonna go out to Floyd's and check it out and help support the community. As soon as we got close enough, we realized two things. Floyd survived, but it took a lot of damage, and it was now only about half or less of what it used to be. But hey, as soon as you got in there, you still found that cold beer flowing great vibes and a lot of that same fresh grilled seafood.
All new roof. All right, so I don't know if you guys remember in our older video from Floyd's Pelican bar before the hurricane, I think we had video in there, or at least pictures, where they carved our name into the wood and everything, and it was on one of the benches over on the other side of the Pelican bar. But I was just walking around, and not 100% this is it or just a coincidence, but I just found this right here. Kelly and Steve with the heart in the middle. I'm pretty sure that's it. Obviously it's not a bench anymore on a table, but steps going up into the place now. But we found it.
Oh, and you may recognize our friend Rayon from our 2023 video. He accompanied us again for our day trip down here, and we were happy to transport down some supplies for him and his family as they work through the recovery. It was great seeing you again, man. And another surprise was getting to see Mr. Floyd himself. He is dedicated to rebuilding and getting this offshore hangout back to what it used to be. So that wraps up this video. Be sure to check the description area for links on how you can support the relief effort or planning your trip down there. And until next time, we hope to see you out there getting fresh air. Consider subscribing to our channel for other videos on camping and overlanding, international travel, how-to videos, hiking, snorkeling and scuba, off-roading, canoe and kayaking, and other adventures. And we hope to see you out there getting fresh air.